how to create a drop down menu in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your very own drop down menu in Shopify. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto your Shopify store. Then what you want to do is you want to click on the content over here and go into the menus section, right? Click on menus, and here you will see all of the menus that you have available. So currently this is the main menu. This is the one that we're going to go ahead and edit, right? So we're going to click on main menu, and here I'm going to change the name to shop, and here we have all of our items, right? So this is the home section. I'll just get rid of that. You can go ahead and add it if you want. And actually what we'll do is we'll discard it and we'll delete the catalog. We'll keep the others, right? Go back to the menu section, and here click on create new menu, and here I'm going to add the shop one. I'm going to add a whole new menu, and then here I'm going to add the label. I'm going to add a shop, first things first, and here you can add a link, but for now we'll just leave it as it is. And then we can add a new option, and here we can add the category of our clothes. So for example, since this is shop, we can go ahead and select products and link it to all of our products, right? Click on all products. Then here we can go with categories or specific products like shirts, t-shirts, shoes, jewelry, bags, or go by category, men, women. So let's go with men, and we'll click on create new, and we'll go with women. Now here, if we click on the collection, here we should have the categories. So I'm going to go ahead and save it as of right now, or actually come over here onto the left hand side, click on products and open it in a new tab. And here underneath collections, I'm going to create a new collection, and we already have a home page. That's fine. I'm going to click on create new, and this is going to be men, and we can manually add them or select smart and select tags, but I always find that manually adding them is much better. Now I'm just simply going to select the products that are related to the men's category. I'm going to add them over here, click on save, and I'm going to add another category, and that is going to be the women's category. I'm going to do the exact same thing. All right, so now we have these two categories. Now we can come back here and select products, or actually select collection. This is men. I'm going to select the men's one, and over here I'm going to select women's. And here you can filter the collection with tags, blue, red, whatever. And we're going to save this for now. Now, since we're creating a drop-down menu, Shopify allows you to move these up and down, right? So here you can create a subcategory, and like so, you just move it around, and I'm going to move this around here. There we go. So now we have two subcategories underneath shop. This is going to be our drop-down menu. Now we can go with this one by either category, or you can create a separate category and go with, shirts, t-shirts, whatever. So let's go with add a new item. I'm going to go with shirts, and here I'll create a new collection for both of them in shirts, right? So shirts is going to be the one. And here I'm going to manually select the product. So checkered red shirt, blue shirt, and I don't have a lot of shirts, only have two. So I'll just add those two, I suppose. And I'm going to create the exact same thing for jackets and tops for women. All right, so now we have all these different categories. I didn't place images on them, but you can go ahead and place images on these categories by just simply clicking over here and selecting one of the images. So yeah, since this isn't, I'll select this one. Boom. I just want to give you an example. And now if we go back, we should have a image on the jacket. So now we have some categories. Now we can go ahead and add them. So now I can just simply go ahead and select the collection and link. So this is going to be shirts. Actually, this is going to be the tops for women. I'm going to select boom. I'm going to add another one, shirts. Actually, we'll label it tops, since I don't think I can add two of the same ones. And this one, I'm going to select shirts, click on save. And now we can just simply sort them out. So there you go. So now underneath women's and underneath men, we now have even more subcategories. And now we can add the other tools like jackets and stuff like that. And this is how it looks like. Looks pretty cool, right? So now we can just simply save it. And now we have a drop-down menu. So now what I can do is, if we come back over to our store or go into online store, let me just save this real quick. Go into online store, just did, and go into the store editor or the theme editor. Go ahead and customize it. And here, if I just change the menu from here. I can replace it or edit it. I should have added that over here, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. Now I'm going to save it. And now if we click on it, we can see right here, if I hover my mouse, we can see we now have a drop down menu. So different themes are going to illustrate this a little bit differently, but in this theme, this is the Horizon theme, Shopify's brand new default theme. This is how it looks like in Horizon. If you just select it in another theme, it might look a little bit different, but this is it. And you now have a drop down theme. So all you got to do is just hover your mouse over it and boom. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. And until next time, take care and goodbye.